Oh, it's you. I was just about to go into the video store to see you.
Do you want to watch the heartbeat together?
Watch it together. If you don't mind, sure. It's over. The heartbeat was as good as I remember. Especially the ending scene. When the mother finally finds her child in the hollow, and the two of them embrace. No matter how many times I watch it, that scene always moves me. Were you moved to tears just now? Nicole says it doesn't count as crying if you don't make any sound. So, I wasn't crying, right? Oh, is it okay if I come by the video store again and get some movie recommendations from you? I'll pay, of course.
Sure, anytime.
Thanks a lot for today.